uh, let's do volume. We are dealing with the volume, and this is N6 chapter 5. So we are given a statement that determine the volume of the solid generated when the area between the curve y equals to x and the line y equals 1 and the y-axis rotate about the y-axis and the x-axis. So I'm going to do the steps, but I won't finish the calculation. I'll show how to do. So first of all, just draw the graph. The graph is a straight line. So okay, just draw the graph. The graph is this one. It's y equals 2x. So it's passed at the origin. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. So, and the line said y equals to 1. This is the line. So your strip will be automatically be here, because according to the statement is this is the area bounded. The y-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the line, and this is the straight line. So they say it the curve y equals to x, which is this one, the line which is y equals to 1, this is the line, and also the y-axis is the y-axis. So your strip will be here. So we'll have d dy. So this is how you'll draw it. So your limit is in the dy because we have a dy strip. So let me say your strip is dy because of your limit. So your limit depend on your strip. Your strip depend on your limit. So if it's the y-axis, so that means your strip will be dx. So let's do number 1. Number A. If it rotated about the y-axis, this means vy. This means vx. It rotated about the x-axis, about the y-axis, about the x-axis. So if the strip defy with the rotation, that means it's there. So this is a shell method, but here the rotation and the strip is the same. So it's a disk method. So you use the disk method if the rotation and the strip is the same. It's a disk method. This is a rotation. So start from 0 to 1. This is 1. So your limit y-axis because your strip is in the y-axis. Then you can substitute so substitute y because you're dealing with the limit of y. So integrating this one, you'll have something like, so when you substitute 1, you'll have 1 minus substituting 0, you'll have 0 this side. So your answer will be pi over 3 unit cube, because the volume. So let's see number B. Number B, as you can see, you have a rotation which is different from the strip. Then you'll use the disk method. You limit 0 and 1. So you use a disk method. Then x and y, you eliminate x, so you have y times. It's like you're making y the subject, x the subject of the formula, so it will be like this. And you change the so you'll have then substituting the unit cube. So this is how you will solve this one. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.